Want to make $1,000 a week, no coding, no quitting your job, and no need for a big following? The secret is already on your computer AI, ready to help you earn more than ever before. Most people think making money online is complicated, but that's a myth that holds so many back. In 2025, AI is your business partner, the fastest way to build income from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Today, I'll show you 5 real AI side hustles anyone can start step by step with no experience needed. Stick around, hustle number 5 is completely passive and could earn you money long after you set it up. Let's dive in right now. First up, freelance writing with ChatGPT. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money online, even if you've never written professionally before. You don't need to be a seasoned writer. AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. All you need is a willingness to learn and a bit of creativity to stand out. Businesses everywhere are hungry for content. Think blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, and catchy social media captions. The demand is huge and growing every day. They pay well for speed and quality, especially if you can deliver polished work quickly. With AI, you can turn around projects in hours, not days. Start by heading to freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These sites are packed with clients looking for writers who can deliver fast, effective content. Create a profile as an AI-powered copywriter. Make it clear you use advanced tools like ChatGPT to deliver high-quality results. Highlight your speed. AI is your secret weapon. Let clients know you can meet tight deadlines without sacrificing quality. Use ChatGPT to generate sample articles or blog posts. Show off your ability to create engaging, well-structured content in minutes. Edit and add your personal touch for a polished portfolio. A little human editing goes a long way in making your work stand out from pure AI output. Start with competitive pricing, like a 500-word blog post for $20 delivered in 24 hours. This helps you attract your first clients quickly. Get a few 5-star reviews. These build trust and let you raise your rates fast. Social proof is everything in the freelance world. With AI, you can handle more clients at once. Your income scales with your workflow, not your typing speed. The more efficient you are, the more you earn. Niche down, become the go-to AI writer for dentists, tech startups, or real estate agents. Specializing means you can charge higher rates and attract loyal clients. Use ChatGPT to research industry jargon and pain points. The more you understand your client's world, the more valuable your content becomes. Here's your action plan. Sign up, build a portfolio, offer a low-priced gig, get reviews, then niche down and scale up. Each step brings you closer to a thriving freelance business. You could land your first client this week if you start now. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see results. This is the lowest hanging fruit in the AI side hustle world. Don't miss your chance to grab it and start earning today. Next, let's get creative selling print-on-demand t-shirts using the power of Midjourney AI art. You don't need to be an artist or have any design background to get started. With just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into eye-catching graphics that people will love to wear. Midjourney generates stunning original images from simple text prompts. Just describe your vision, and the AI brings it to life in seconds. No complicated software or drawing skills required. Once you've created your unique designs, upload them to platforms like Printify or Printful. Then, list your products on popular marketplaces such as Etsy or Shopify. These services handle all the printing, shipping, and even customer service, so you can focus on creating and marketing. The secret to success? Find a passionate niche. Think fishing, cats, fantasy books, or even quirky hobbies. The more specific and dedicated the audience, the better your chances of going viral. Use tools like Google Trends or browse Etsy's bestsellers to spot what's trending right now. This helps you create designs that people are already searching for. Typically, a t-shirt costs about $10 to make and sells for around $25. That's a solid $15 profit for every sale, and you don't need to buy inventory up front. One viral design can easily net you $1,500 or more in a single week, sometimes while you sleep, as orders come in from around the world. And you're not limited to t-shirts. Expand your product line to include mugs, phone cases, posters, hoodies, and more. The possibilities are endless with print on demand. Build a recognizable brand with zero inventory risk. You never have to worry about unsold stock or shipping headaches. Your only real investment is a Midjourney subscription and your time and creativity. No big upfront costs or complicated logistics. Here's your action plan. Pick a niche you're passionate about. Generate at least 20 unique designs with Midjourney. set up your Printify and Etsy accounts, upload your designs to your store, and promote your products on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to reach your audience. This is your chance to build a real e-commerce brand from home, with AI as your designer and the world as your marketplace. Get started today, and see where your creativity can take you. Hustle 3: YouTube Automation with Pictory. If you want to build a profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face or using your own voice, this is the perfect side hustle for you. With the right tools, you can create high-quality videos from the comfort of your home even if you have zero experience. Make videos no camera, no mic, no editing skills required. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. You don't have to worry about being on camera or learning complicated software. Use ChatGPT to write engaging scripts on any topic you like. Just type in your idea, and let AI generate a full script in seconds. Paste your script into Pictory, which automatically turns your text into professional-looking videos using stock footage, images, and realistic AI voiceovers. No editing experience needed. Pictory does the hard work for you. Pick a niche top 10 lists: history, psychology, finance, meditation. These have huge audiences and are easy to script. Research trending topics and upload consistently to grow your channel faster. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube monetization and start earning from ads. Finance channels in particular can earn $10 to $20 CPM, which is much higher than most other niches. With 500,000 monthly views, you could make between $5,000 and $10,000 in ad revenue alone. The more you upload, the more you can earn. Add affiliate links in your video descriptions for extra income. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn commissions on every sale. Real people are making $6,000 plus a month with faceless channels working just a few hours a week. This is a proven method that's changing lives. The key is to treat it like a real business. Plan your content, upload regularly, and track your progress. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your channel and exploring new ideas. Here's your action plan. Pick a niche, use ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory for videos, upload and repeat. Stay consistent and you could build a passive income stream in just a few months. Fourth hustle: become an AI-powered email marketing consultant with Jasper. Businesses need effective emails but lack time or skill. Jasper writes persuasive, high-converting copy in minutes. Find businesses with weak or no email marketing. Offer to manage their campaigns for a monthly retainer. Use Jasper to create welcome series, promos, newsletters fast and effective. Charge $500 per month for 4 newsletters. 4 clients equals $2,000 per month, just a few hours of work. Build a stable, recurring income, no chasing one-off gigs. Scale by hiring a virtual assistant for admin while you focus on strategy and writing. Action plan. Master Jasper, pick a business niche, create a compelling offer, reach out, and deliver results. Finally, the ultimate passive income: selling Notion AI templates. Notion is a popular productivity app, and users love buying ready-made templates. Use Notion's built-in AI to brainstorm, design, and fill templates with example content fast. Create templates for specific needs: content creator dashboards, freelancer hubs, student planners. Solve a real problem for a specific group. Use ChatGPT to generate template ideas, then build with Notion AI. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy, set your price, upload, and let the platforms handle sales and delivery. Templates can sell for $5 to $100 plus. Build once, sell forever. Real creators are making $2,500 per month in passive income with just a handful of templates. Action plan: learn Notion, use AI to build a high-value template, list it, and promote with short video tutorials. Quick recap: ChatGPT Freelance, writing Midjourney merch, Faceless YouTube, Jasper email marketing, and Notion templates. 5 scalable AI hustles you can start with just your laptop. I've given you the blueprints and real-world examples, now it's your turn. Information is useless without action. Take the first step today. If you're getting started, make sure to download a trusted AI side hustle kit or checklist from a reliable source. The right tools can make a huge difference. They are usually packed with tools, prompts, and templates to help you earn your first $1,000. If you found value, hit subscribe for more weekly AI income guides. Comment below, which hustle will you try first? Let's turn screen time into income time. See you in the next one.